Hot take: everyone is an artist. Yes, I repeat. Everyone is an artist. If we come to think about it, everyone had drawn at least one or two drawings in their life. Or maybe, right now, you draw a circle. Well, guess what? You're the artist of that drawing.
Also these?
No, Madoka, those are stupid, effortless, Arctic animals killing, lame AI slop, made by machines who don't even know humans have 5 fingers in each hand.
Oh wow, that's beautiful, Katie.
Madoka, my name is not Katie. It's Homura Akemi.
Wow, what a beautiful name, Katie.
Madoka,